Second quarter. Buloy. Tosani. Banda. Offensive foul. May foul. Sunny. Isa.
Sisigina. Number 3. Your second. Point to them. 10 seconds to shoot.
10 seconds.
Number 90. 5 seconds to shoot.
Shot clock violation.
Shot clock. Back to number 20. Back to number 20.
Nakabiling.
Kita-kita sa kamera.
Burunggan City ball.
Number 50.
Tubigan Builders.
Low pass to number 90. Busa.
Pinasa sa kalaban.
Number 28.
Nice. Legit. Engineer Amuyo. Busa.
15 seconds to shoot.
May foul.
Foul.
Number 16.
Foul.
Unang tira. Pasok. Edmundo.
Second try.
Pangalawang tira. Ni Edmundo. Wala.
Ay, foul ng engineer.
Banda Engineer.
Nice pass. Kupala niyo over the line.
Number 8. Judjit. Ball pa. So, Panda.
Number 20. Number 21. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 8. Back to number 21. 10 seconds to shoot. Running shot. Rebound number 5 seconds to shoot. Bang bang. 10 seconds to shoot.
Wala pa rin.
Intercepted.
Danko.
Number 8.
Wala pa rin. May foul.
Number 20. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 21. Side step boom. Basketball. A nice move. Last touch.
Last touch Bironggoy. 19
15
seconds. Bulan Burunggan. 26 to 14 in favor of Salcido.
10 seconds to shoot. Abilales. Intercepted number 21.
Last touch Salcido.
To shoot. Number 9, 14.
Last touch Burunggan.
Last touch on the mundo. Nice pass to number 2. Oh, what a move. Nice pass. 5 seconds to shoot. Number 7. Silada using the board.
Using the board. Number 7. Foul.
Wow, 10 seconds to shoot. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 21 for three.
Pasok.
Number 21. 3. 7 minutes of 15 seconds to shoot. Intercepted. Intercepted. Number 20. Easy point.
Foul.
The number.
Bironggoy.
Substitution.
Substitution.
Substitution. Number 16, Don Salcido. Keluar dari penalti, Don Salcido. Waktu silakan. 15 seconds to shoot. Silakan bawa Pintas. Balik. Ada nomor 21. Lepas berbalik. Nomor 8, nomor 71. Nomor 71.
Airball.
Silakan. 20 seconds. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot.
Foul. Danko.
Foul sentre Primutas. 2 shots.
Pangalawang tira.
Silbay.
Black box. Lupa.
15 seconds to shoot. Number 21. Banda. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 21. Manisha. Apura lepas Toyin Kage. To Abinales. Abinales. Strong move. Rebound on the pass to number 28. Number 28. To number 21. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 21. Lepas to Abinales. Abinales. Let's pass to Kage. 15 seconds to shoot. Obina. Obina. Number 21. Back to number 21. Rebound on Abinales. Regalo Apura. Apura.
Basket. May kasama pang foul.
Basket.
Bonus throw. Basket.
Complete the 3 points on Apura.
Apura.
Running score 31-20.
31-20 in favor of Salcido. Second quarter. Ball pa. May foul.
Number 9.
Number 9.
Jared Kage. Your third. Foul.
Danko.
Number 21 pick. Nice pass to number 23. 10 seconds to shoot.
Foul.
Intercepted. Silana. Music ball.
Time out. Salcido.
Out. Salcido. 31.
22.
5-2. 9-point lead.
9-point lead on Salcido.
Remaining time.
Back to the ball game.
Sakot. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 32. 10 seconds to shoot. Rebound on Pinoy. Number 9. Echake. Silana. 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 Echake. Rebound on Pinoy. Basket board. Lumalapit na.
Obina.
24. Kami score.
24 to 21. Salcido.
15 seconds to shoot. Nakuha ni number 0. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 23. 5 seconds to shoot.
Lumagbas for 3. Shot clock violation. Obina.
15 seconds to shoot. Lepas to number 0. Recover number 0. To number 32.
Yes.
Nice hustle play.
Shot.
For number 0. Umina. Back to Milaw. 15 seconds to shoot. Silalanas pass to Apura sa ilalim.
Agaw.
15 seconds to shoot.
Nasa sa labas. Bola ng Salcido. 3 minutes and 11 seconds. Second quarter.
Number 21. Back to number 21. Short. Milaw. To Abinales. Recover of the foul.
Foul. Lumagbas.
Foul. Penalty.
The manager in
2 minutes and 29 seconds.
first throw. No good. Second
Second try.
try. Basket. Nothing but net.
Another one. 15 seconds to shoot.
Bagon.
Nice play.
Yes.
Garcido.
Bagon.
Dilaw.
Babawi.
Sila na
Number 7.
7.
Wala.
Rebound on Apura.
Foul na naman si Bagon.
Foul. On number 21.
21.
Pushing
Pagda.
foul. And push shot on Apura. 2 minutes and 25. Every time.
Unang tira.
35.
Wala.
25. Second try on Apura.
Score 25-35. Favor in Salcedo. Second quarter.
Okay, nag-abot.
Wala. Naagaw.
Pinagalo ng buwa. Number 23. To number 7.
Nice pass. Lumagbas.
Ascended basketball. Tata na nakakapot.
The manager tumira.
Nagkaroon sila na.
Babawi. Yes. Bawing bawi. Number 7 of Borongan City. 2 points.
Live ball.
Stepping on the line.
One. Intercepted naman ang ito. Number 0. Wala ka malalim. Putback.
Yes.
Basket to number 1.
Nice. Lumagpas. Putback. Babawi. Number 12. Borongan to number 1. Tumira. From the right. Wala. May foul na naman si Opan.
Foul sa dribbling pass. O number 21.
Substitution.
Second.
Panda out. Maranitain. Penalty.
Dribbling time. 1 minute and 31 seconds.
Nang tira. Wala.
Second try.
Pangalawa.
Basketball. 1 point. 10 seconds to shoot.
3 points. Wala.
Rebound of Benitez. Panibaga na number 32. Unang pass mo. Turnover. Seconds to play. Sila na. Short number. Rebound of number 1. To number 22. Number 23.
Kasama pang foul.
Basket. Foul number 9.
Substitution. Lumagpas out. Garcia in.
A good shot on number 23.
Bonus free throw.
Number 23.
Yes.
23 points to number 23.
Complete the 3 points play by Abuga.
Benitez, number 1. 40 segundos. Apura. Istumpul.
Yes.
Benitez. Basket de Apura.
Abuga. Straight move by Abuga.
Foul.
Tinamaan sa ulo. Basket. Unang tira. Luporto by Abalorio.
15 para Romero.
Foul. Aranita.
First try. Basket.
Wala. Lumabas.
15.
Last 15 seconds. Second quarter.
5.
Last end. Second quarter.
47, 31, 16-20.